Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy English Podcast 360, the place where you learn English in a fun and relaxed way.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here with us today, listening and learning English together.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to Easy English Podcast 360 for more fun English talks.
Yes, your support really helps us, and it makes us smile a lot, like when we eat good food.
That is very true, because today we are talking about something everyone loves very much.
Yes, today's topic is food, and not just food, but our favorite food.
Food is a great topic because everyone eats food every day, and everyone has something they like.
Exactly, and talking about favorite food is very common in daily English conversations.
So today, we will practice how to talk about favorite food in simple and natural English.
Don't worry, we will use easy words, slow speaking, and friendly examples.
All right, let's start with a simple question, like people ask in real life.
Yes, a very normal and friendly question.
So tell me, what is your favorite food?
Oh, that is an easy question, but also a dangerous one because it makes me hungry.
Haha, I feel the same. Food talks always make me want to eat something.
Okay, my favorite food is pizza, especially cheese pizza with a lot of cheese.
Nice choice. Pizza's very popular all over the world.
Yes, I like pizza because it is tasty, warm, and easy to share with friends.
That sounds great, and I like how you explained why you like it.
Yes, saying why you like food is very important in English conversations.
My favorite food is rice with chicken and spicy sauce.
Oh, that sounds delicious. And also very filling.
Yes, I like it because it makes me feel full and happy.
Food that makes us happy is always the best food.
Very true. And notice how we say, my favorite food is.
Yes, this is a very useful sentence for English learners.
You can say, my favorite food is pizza, or my favorite food is rice.
And you can also add a reason like because it is tasty or because it is easy to cook.
Let's repeat it slowly for our listeners.
My favorite food is pizza because it is tasty and cheesy.
My favorite food is rice with chicken because it makes me feel full.
Very good, that sounds natural and clear.
Now let me ask you another simple question.
Okay, I am ready, but please don't ask me to cook.
Ha ha, no cooking today, only talking. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I really like spicy food, but sometimes it makes me cry a little.
Ha ha. Spicy food can be strong, but many people love it.
Yes, I like spicy food because it has strong flavor and makes food exciting.
That is a nice way to say it. Strong flavor and exciting food.
What about you? Do you like spicy food?
I like a little spicy food, but not too much.
If it is too spicy, I need a lot of water and maybe some milk.
Haha, that is very honest and very real.
Many people feel the same way.
When you talk about food, you can also say how much you like it.
Yes, for example, you can say, I really like pizza, or I like pizza a lot.
Or you can say, I don't like it very much, if you don't enjoy it.
These small phrases are very useful in daily English.
Let's give some examples for practice.
Okay, I will start. I really like burgers, especially with cheese and sauce.
Nice example. Now I will try. I like ice cream a lot, but only in the summer.
That is a good reason. Ice cream in winter can be too cold.
Yes, my teeth don't like winter ice cream.
Ha 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 ha. My teeth agree with you.
Talking about food can also include where you eat it.
Yes, like at home, at a restaurant, or with friends.
For example, I like pizza at home when I watch a movie.
That sounds like a perfect evening. Pizza and a movie.
I like rice and chicken when I eat with my family.
Eating together makes food taste better.
That is very true. Food is not only about taste, but also about people.
Yes, food and feelings are very connected,
When learners talk about food, they sometimes feel shy.
but there is no need to be shy because there is no wrong answer.
Exactly, your favorite food is your favorite food.
No one can say it is wrong.
And this topic is great for starting conversations with new people.
Yes, you can ask, "What is your favorite food?" And the talk starts easily.
People usually smile when they talk about food.
Yes, because food brings good memories and happy feelings.
So today, we are not only learning English, but also sharing happiness.
That sounds beautiful and also very tasty.
We will continue talking about food, drinks, and eating habits.
Yes, and we will share more examples you can use in real life.
So stay relaxed, listen carefully, and enjoy this friendly chat.
And maybe get a snack because food talk is not finished yet.
You know, talking about food also helps us learn many useful English words.
Yes, words like sweet, salty, spicy, and sour are very common.
These words help us explain how food tastes.
Exactly. Taste words make your English sound more natural,
For example, ice cream is sweet and cold.
and chips are salty and crunchy, which makes them fun to eat.
Crunchy is a great word. It sounds like the food.
Ha ha ha, yes. Crunchy food makes noise when we eat it.
Let me ask you, do you like sweet food or salty food more?
Hmm, that is a hard question, but I think I like sweet food more.
Oh, really? So you are a sweet food person.
Yes, I love chocolate, cake, and cookies.
That sounds delicious, but also dangerous for my diet.
Ha ha, same here. Sweet food is tasty, but we must be careful.
I like salty food more, like fries and popcorn.
Popcorn is great, especially when watching movies.
Yes, and it is easy to share with friends.
Sharing food always makes the moment nicer.
When we talk about favorite food, we can also talk about drinks.
Yes, drinks are very important, especially with food.
What is your favorite drink with food?
My favorite drink is cold water. Very simple and healthy.
That is a good choice. Water is always a good friend.
What about you? What do you like to drink?
I like juice, especially orange juice with breakfast.
Orange juice in the morning feels fresh and energetic.
Yes, it helps me feel ready for the day.
That is a nice way to explain it.
You can say, I like to drink, when talking about drinks.
For example, I like to drink tea in the evening.
Or, I like to drink coffee in the morning.
Coffee helps many people wake up.
Yes, without coffee, some people cannot talk.
Ha ha ha. That is very true.
Now let's talk about food from different places.
Yes, food from different countries is very interesting.
I like Italian food, especially pizza and pasta.
Italian food is popular and loved by many people.
I like local food from my country because it feels like home.
Food that feels like home is very special.
Yes, it brings memories of family and childhood.
That is a beautiful feeling.
When learners talk about food, they can also say where it is from,
For example, this food is from my country.
or this is a traditional food in my family.
Traditional food is often made on special days.
Yes, like holidays or family dinners.
Food brings people together on these days.
Let's practice a full sentence for learners.
Okay, I will start.
My favorite food is pizza, and I like to eat it with my friends.
Very good, now my turn.
My favorite food is rice with chicken, and I eat it with my family.
That sounds clear and natural.
Learners can change food names and people easily.
Yes, just change pizza or rice friends or family.
Simple changes help you speak more.
And speaking more builds confidence.
Confidence is very important when learning English.
Yes, mistakes are okay and even funny sometimes.
Food is a safe and friendly topic to practice English,
The important thing is to keep talking.
and people enjoy listening when you talk about food.
Everyone understands food even with simple English.
So if you meet a new person, try talking about food
Yes, no one gets bored easily with food talk.
and listen carefully to their answer.
Ask them what they like to eat.
You can smile and say, "That sounds nice."
Listening is also part of good conversation.
These small sentences make conversation friendly.
Or, I want to try that someday.
We are having a very nice food talk today.
Yes, and very natural.
Same here. I think food talk has that power.
Yes, and I am getting hungry again.
We still have more to share with our listeners.
Haha, maybe we should eat after this.
You know, sometimes people ask about favorite food at work or school.
Yes, more useful food English is coming.
For example, during lunchtime, people often talk about food.
Yes, it is a very friendly and safe question in many situations.
Someone may ask, "What do you usually eat for lunch?"
That is true. Lunchtime is perfect for food conversations.
Using usually is very helpful for daily habits.
And you can answer, I usually eat rice, or I usually eat a sandwich.
I usually eat simple food because I don't have much time.
Yes, it shows what you eat most of the time.
Yes, sometimes simple food is the best food.
Simple food can still be very tasty and nice.
Learners can also talk about food they don't like.
I agree, not every meal needs to be fancy.
For example, you can say, "I don't like fish very much."
Yes, that is also part of real conversation.
These sentences are honest and polite.
Or, I don't like sweet food, but I like salty food.
Let's give one more example for practice.
Yes, you don't need to explain too much.
I don't like very oily food because it feels heavy.
Okay, I will try.
Now, my example, I don't like bitter food, but I like sweet food.
That is a very natural sentence.
Talking about food helps learners feel relaxed.
Very clear and easy to understand.
When you feel relaxed, your words come more easily.
Yes, relaxed learners speak better English.
That is why we like friendly topics like food.
And your confidence slowly grows.
Sometimes people also talk about cooking.
Food makes people smile and talk more.
You can say, "I like cooking at home," or "I don't like cooking."
Yes, but only if they like cooking.
I like cooking simple meals on weekends.
Both are perfectly fine answers.
I don't cook much, but I enjoy eating.
That sounds nice and relaxing.
Many people enjoy eating more than cooking.
Ha 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 ha. That is very honest.
When ending a food conversation, you can be friendly,
Yes, eating is easier than cooking.
or "Let's eat together sometime."
For example, you can say, now I feel hungry.
Food can help build good relationships.
These sentences sound warm and polite.
Today, we talked about favorite food in English.
Yes, sharing food builds connection.
We talked about taste, drinks, habits, and feelings.
We shared simple sentences and real examples.
You can use these sentences with friends, co-workers, or classmates.
All with easy English for daily life.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Practice them again and again.
The more you talk, the better you become.
Mistakes are part of learning.
We hope you enjoyed this friendly English chat.
And food is a great topic to start. And we hope you learned something useful today.
If you like this chat, subscribe for more fun English talks. Thank you for listening and learning with us today.
Yes, like this video and join Easy English Podcast 360. See you next time and enjoy your favorite food.